Hello friends, in this video we are going to implement circuit of half adder in CircuitMod software. Also we are going to verify its truth table. Half adder is a combinational circuit which is designed by connecting one XOR gate and one AND gate. So you can see in the truth table of half adder we have two inputs A and B and we are getting two outputs which is sum and carry. So half adder circuit has two inputs and two digits gets added to generate carry and sum. If you look at the output sum, you can see here sum output is 0, 1, 1, 0, which is equivalent to our XOR gate. And for carry, output is 0, 0, 0, 1, which is equivalent to AND gate. So to implement the circuit, we need to use XOR gate and AND gate. So to place these two gates on the screen, just right click with the mouse, select logic gates. From here select XOR gate and then place it on the screen. Then select AND gate. So this is our AND gate. Now to connect input, one need to use wired connection for this. Okay. So from this side we can have the connection for the input. So select input, right click with the mouse, go into input output option. From this select add logic input. So click on the dot, drag towards the left hand side, click on the dot and drag towards the left hand side. So this is our A and this is B. Now to connect the output, will be using LED. So right click with the mouse, go into the display device and connect add LED. So same to check the output of carry, will be using another LED. Now to connect second input of this LED to ground, select ground option and do the connection for the grounding. So this will give you some output. Now we need to connect this to our A and B. So right click with the mouse, select add wire and from this dot select wired connection for our B input. So dot to dot connections are allowed. So do the connection between two dots. So this is our B and to connect it to A, just take the wire from A and give it to first input of AND gate. So first of all XOR gate to give some output, AND gate to give carry output. Now we will check the truth table. Input A is 0, B is 0, so low, both sum and carry are 0. Okay. Now A is 0, B is 1. So A is low, B is 1. Immediately you can see current flowing through XOR gate, due to which LED is in on condition. So when A is 0, B is 1, some output is 1, that is why LED is in turn on condition and carry is 0. Third inputs, A is 1, B is 0. So A1, B0, A high, B low. In this condition also, some output is LED is on, that means it is 1. So sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now to check the last condition, when A is 1, B is 1, So A is high, B is high. In this case, some output is 0 due to which LED is in off condition and carry output is 1, which is indicated by the signal LED on. So this is how you can implement the circuit in circuit mod software. Also you can verify the truth table. Thank you.